In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the General Ledger report in Odoo. To get started, open the accounting app from your Odoo dashboard. This is where you'll find the financial reporting tools needed to review your company's accounting data. Once you're inside the accounting app, go to the reporting menu and then select General Ledger. This will open the General Ledger report. When the report loads, you'll see a list of accounts along with key financial figures for each one. In general, this report displays debit, credit, and balance amounts, making it easier to understand the activity and current position of every account. This is especially useful when you want to review transactions, verify balances, or prepare for reconciliation and reporting. At the top of the page, use the date filter to select the reporting period you want to review. This allows you to narrow the report to a specific time frame, such as a month, quarter, or custom date range. Choosing the correct period is important because it determines which entries are included in the ledger view. Next, click Posted Entries to adjust which journal entries are included in the report. This setting helps you control whether you're viewing only officially posted accounting entries or a broader set, depending on your reporting needs. If you're checking finalized financial data, this is an important filter to review before analyzing the report. If you need to locate a particular account quickly, use the search bar. This is helpful when your chart of accounts is large and you don't want to scroll through the entire report manually. Just type the account name or a related term, and Odoo will help you narrow down the results. To see more detail for a specific account, click the arrow beside that account. This expands the line and shows the transactions associated with it. Viewing these transaction details can help you understand where the balances are coming from and identify individual entries contributing to the totals. When you're ready to save or share the report, click Print in the upper left corner. From there, choose XLSX if you want to export the General Ledger as an Excel file, or select CSV if you want to export it as a CSV file. Exporting is useful if you need to perform additional analysis, share the data with your team, or keep a copy outside of Odoo. And that's how to view the General Ledger report in Odoo.